Indian languages were among the earliest, if not the first, after English, to have been defined, developed, and used for many real world digital applications. Indic language computing is complex and a hard problem to solve, given the variety of languages and their scripts. It's been 50 years since Indian language computing took hold, thanks to several veterans who paved the way. We, at Reverie Language Technologies, would like to thank such pioneers for their priceless contribution towards Indic language computing via the small tribute video. There is so much to talk about Dr. R.M.K. Sinha. He was the originator of the multilingual graphics and Indian script technology, GIST, IDC, ISKI coding, InScript keyboarding, and several other Indian language technologies. Dr. Sinha's research work was widely respected in the areas of language technology and applied artificial intelligence for Indian languages. In the early 70s, he was one of the first persons to work on Devanagari OCR. In the late 70s and early 80s, he worked on Indian script enabling and the computer processing. In the late 80s, he began working on computer processing of Indian languages. Originator of Angla Bharti and Anu Bharti technologies for translation from English to Indian languages and vice versa. He was also the member of TDIL Working Group, National Translation Mission Advisory, Technical Advisory of CDAC, Standardization Committee, Associate UNESCO Chair in Orbicom. He was also the founding president of Society for Machine Aids for Translation and Communication, SMARTAC, fellow IETE and senior member IEEE. Instrumental in initiating NLP activities for Indian languages and contributed to the development of machine-aided translation technologies. Mohan Tambe stands tallest as one of the key members in the pioneering team developing the Integrated Devanagari Terminal or the Integrated Devanagari Computer IDC at IIT Kanpur in 1983. Mohan Tambe founded the GIST Group at the Center for Development of Advanced Computing CDAC in 1988 and drove the development and commercial proliferation of the IDC and GIST technologies. Primary author of the draft that would eventually become the first Indian script encoding standard called the Indian Script Code for Information Interchange or ISKI, standardized by BIS in 1988. He is also instrumental in developing the first Indian language solutions based on ISKI for all forms of computer hardware and software. He developed the script composition algorithms for all the 10 Indian scripts standardized in ISKI for the GIST. He also architected the first Indian language spell checker tools developed by Pegasus, created the first digital programs in the country to program for advanced computer education to educate and promote the use of Indian languages on computers using software and hardware from GIST CDAC. Another interesting piece of work was encoding pager messaging for Indian scripts. By far, the works of Mr. Tambe have had very deep and lasting impact in the growth of Indian languages on computers. S.K. Mohanty founded the fonts and type design activities at the CDAC. The first computers, printers, televisions, mobile phones, and smartphones have used Mohanty's fonts to implement Indian languages support. from the earliest low-resolution screens and 9-pin dot matrix printers to the most modern ultra-high resolution screens. He has designed and set standards for finer design aspects specific to each script and language of India. Developed display shapes covering the entire language scope for all the major Indian and some other Southeast Asian languages. Took up the arduous assignment of studying each of the 10 Indian scripts in full detail in contemporary use and designed font layouts and shape sets defined as a standard. Introduced the first and only font shape standard for Indian languages. The Indian Standard Font Code, ISFOC, that helped the industry develop compatible and yet creative designs. Shashank Shekhar Pujari was instrumental in developing most of the early hardware solutions for use of Indian languages that were commercialized. The most significant being the first application-specific integrated circuit or ASIC GIST 9000, which was released in 1990, followed by GIST 9001 in 1994 and GIST 9002 in 1998. The ASIC chips were the heart of the GIST cards and terminals, which became the standard hardware to enable use of Indian languages. He also developed the Language Independent Program Subtitles LIPS decoder, the Indian language subtitling system that helped Doordarshan and other broadcasters to telecast regional language movies displaying local language subtitles in different regions. Such technology in those days were unimaginable and created a revolution in the viewership and promotion of regional languages media. Along with Anupam Saurabh, he further worked and improved upon news teleprompter for Indian languages. He may be considered one of the most impactful inventors in the field of Indian languages. Raymond Doctor is perhaps the first and longest contributor to Indian language tools. He developed the very first machine learning algorithms to create transliteration of Indian names, which has been in use to print railway reservation charts in multiple languages for over 25 years now. He designed the first Indian language spell checkers that worked on early word processors with performance significantly higher than Indian language tools available in the most popular software available even today. To this day, he contributes to advanced algorithms and linguistic tools for Indian and some foreign languages for a variety of language tools. Dr. Cooper is a visionary much ahead of his times. During a time when technology and access to most modern machines were unavailable anywhere except in the most premier government-funded institutions, Dr. Cooper started the first private enterprise in 1983 to develop fonts technologies for Indian languages. As early as 1995, Dr. Chaudhary developed a system for recognizing running printed text with high accuracy. A huge number of text document images were generated and annotated for the same. He also developed a software to convert Indian language Braille text to natural text and vice versa. The recognized text was then converted to speech using a speech synthesizer. On sound symbolism, he was the first to work beyond the onomatopoetic level and traverse to finer levels like synesthesia, phonostheme, frequency codes, and so on. Lack of computer-stored linguistic corpus was a huge gap for conducting research in Indian natural languages. Dr. Chaudhary utilized his OCR system output as well as his OCR training data to generate a fairly big linguistic corpus of a few million words for his research, which delivered insightful statistics. The Unicode Consortium accepted and implemented his scholarly work of analyzing over 3,500 Bengali words for the Unicode representation of Bengali text. Professor Chaudhary helped in the initial phases of defining the Indian language Unicode system. Also, he played a major role in convincing the Unicode Consortium that a character called Khanda Ta, which is uttered without a vowel, should have a distinct code. Dr. Hemant Darbari is the Director General at CDAC. He is well versed in machine translation using deep learning. He was also instrumental in designing the Mantra software that translated text from English to other Indian languages. The output from Mantra could be further edited by translators to improve the quality of translation to suit any specific requirement. This was an early and revolutionary initiative in the field of machine learning. Dr. P. Ramanujan from CDAC made Sanskrit and Vedic knowledge available through digital medium. He developed ISKI Standard NXG, Vedic Extension Overlay IS 13194 1991. He built systems to process Sanskrit and Vedic texts in computers like Desika, CVyasa. Desika is one of the first word processors for Sanskrit scholars. Desika analyzes and generates Sanskrit words and sentences with the help of Panini grammar rules and includes Vedic processing and Shabdakosh as well. He also developed palm leaf manuscript editor Pandulipi Samshodhika. Professor Peri Bhaskar Rao is an expert in linguistic studies and served in Deccan College, Pune, and later at Tokyo University. One of the earliest researchers to work on text-to-speech and speech-to-text for Indian languages. He successfully demonstrated text-to-speech and speech-to-text in Hindi using GIST tools during the 90s. His research area was phonetics and phonology for Indian languages. We, at Reverie Language Technologies, have been standing on the shoulders of these giants for over 12 years now. We once again sincerely thank these veterans for their contribution to Indian language computing. Reverie Language Technologies, building language equality on the internet since 2009.